Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess if you're new. Hi, I'm Jess. Thank you so much for finding me. I'm super excited about this video because Mco has a new collection. Whoop, whoop. I love it when Mco releases new things because I do quite like their makeup. And in particular, their eyeshadow palettes are usually really good, especially for the price. This is $14 at Woolworths, half price I think, or 40% off, which is pretty damn good for 32 shades that you get in this palette. We're gonna see if I like it, do a demo, first impressions. Let me know if you guys shop at Woolies or you Coles shopper. Let me know. And yeah, we're gonna demo this and see what I think. Let's do this, shall we? I'm gonna take that color just to set everything. I've got pigment. Probably won't see it on my eyeball. I know you can kind of see it. It's definitely showing up a little bit, which is good. Yeah, that's definitely coming through on the eyeball. There's 10 mattes in the palette and the rest are all these textured shimmers or glitters. So they look beautiful. I'm going to take that color through my crease because I do have hooded eyes. Mco eyeshadows are usually pretty good. There's only one dip. Not bad. Out nice. So I'm just going to take that first shade to help blend it out more. I like that shade actually, it's pretty. That shadow has gone on beautifully. Pack Sheetal, a very smooth blend and beautiful colour. So I'm going to take that colour there to deepen it up. I feel like I'm going to be really impressed with these mattes. And that's gone on really nicely. Very easy to blend out. Those shades have gone on are really nice. They're not pack sheetal, very smooth. They haven't skipped. Take that chocolatey brown just on the outer edge a little bit. Alright, so that was really pigmented. But really pretty. These mattes are really lovely. And it's given it some nice depth. So far they're looking really nice. $14. These mattes are beautiful. Shimmer, I think. Good to go with the green. That's gone on really nicely. How pretty is that? Yes. Take that in the inner corner bit, like there. That's a cream. Alright, so some are creams, some are mattes, some are shimmers. What's going on? My favorite little pointing, what do you call it? I don't know, like little, there we are. It's an inner corner pencil brush by Chi. And obviously you don't need to use it just on the inner corner. It's just to get into those tricky bits. That one, which is also a cream, like a flaky cream. Interesting. Alright, so I like how that is turning out. I haven't gone muddy, then I've not gone patchy. Shimmers are a little bit difficult to use, but I'm not used to cream eyeshadows in particular. But that's just personal opinion because I don't really use a lot of creams. Brown on the lower lash line. But these mattes, they're superb. So I do want to try out a pressed glitter. I don't normally like to wear glitters because I do get irritation from them sometimes, but I'm going to try the purpley one. I don't have a glitter primer though. You think I would, but I don't have one. They're a bit chunky, but at least they're not the lube type because I cannot stand... Oh, camera, what are you doing? Stay please. I can't stand the lube type. Just to add a little bit of something something. Hello, where are you? Oh, it's there. Now I'm going to add a little bit more of that glitter just to see if you can build it up. There we go. Yeah, actually really pretty. Okay, so this is the finished look. I think it came out really pretty. The mattes are actually all wonderful. They're so easy to blend out. The shimmers are like cream. I have to get used to a little bit because I don't use a lot of creams. Well, cream eyeshadow in my everyday makeup life. So they were fun to play around with. The glitters are quite nice. I think they'll be nicer if I actually have a glitter primer. But yeah, overall, this is such a pretty palette for $14. Now, these ones are limited edition, so I would suggest that you hurry up and get to your local Woolies. I think Woolies have them all in stock at the moment. I know my local one did. But yeah, overall for 14 bucks, I'm really impressed. With the range of shades, the textures, and also like particularly how they worked on the eye. They did not go muddy or patchy. Blended out really, really easily. And so far the glitter's not irritating my eyeballs, which is great because usually if I put on glitters, I want to rip out my eyeballs because they just water and go like crazy. But yeah, overall I think this is a great little bargain, especially for 14 bucks at the moment. They do have other things in this range. I picked up the brush set, but I didn't want to actually review that today. I just wanted to review this for you guys. Yeah, I'm going to insert swatches here. Let me know in the comments if you're going to pick anything up or if you're going to pick up this palette. What do you think of Mco? I really like them as a brand. Their last year Beauty Edit palette was beautiful. I'll link that video down below as well for you guys. But yeah, super happy that they're going back in the way that we love Mco, because for a while there they were doing a bit of the same repeat eyeshadows. Like the Mega Mermaid one they brought out twice, I think. But yeah, I'm really, really happy with this palette. Cannot wait to do another look with it. Alright guys, that's it for today. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!